With all of the focus on Capitol Hill about changing health insurance and getting quality health care around the country, one particular group is often left out of specific discussions: children. Dr. Kurt Newman is the president and CEO of Children's National Health System here in Washington. He's also the author of a new book that can help families facing hospitalizations. As many of you know, our family knows those anxieties well. I spoke to Dr. Newman earlier today. Dr. Newman, thanks for being here.
It's great to be here. Thank you.
This book is great. Healing Children, A Surgeon's Stories from the Frontiers of Pediatric Medicine. Why did you write this book?
I wrote this book because I've been a surgeon for over 30 years, and I wanted parents, and it's really for parents, but people in general, to know what I've learned over that 32 years, the special value and priceless value of pediatric medicine, children's hospitals, to help parents advocate for their children and to help our country understand the special value of pediatric medicine.
So full disclosure here, obviously we're friends. Paul, our son, has had multiple surgeries at Children's National, and you are the president and CEO of that hospital, also one of Paul's surgeons. So this book is very personal, but there are personal stories in here that help negotiate, help parents really find their way through if they have a sick child or they're just interested in children's hospitals.
That's right, and one of the goals is to help parents understand before they're in those situations so that they know where the emergency department is, they know all about pediatric anesthesia, they know all the special things that I've learned, so that when they get into a situation, they're more comfortable. They know the questions to ask. They can be an advocate for their children.
The Secretary of Health and Human Services, Secretary Price, visited Children's National, and he kind of had a message about what they are thinking. And how did you interact with him?
Well, it was a terrific visit. He's an orthopedic surgeon. He's obviously comfortable in hospitals and has had a long career in medicine before he ever got into politics. And that's where we connected, because I think he understands the special value of children's hospitals, pediatric specialists, what we can bring. And it was very, very inspiring to see him connect as a physician as well as a leader, and to help our team understand that special bond between doctors and patients, nurses. So it was really an inspiring visit.
I mean, that's what it comes down to, that personal relationship and how you deal with your situation with the doctors you're dealing with. As these lawmakers are working on retooling healthcare, health insurance in some way, what's the message that you have for them?
Well, the one thing I really worry about is I haven't heard much conversation about children in all of these debates. And I think it's such a smart investment, a wise investment, to actually put more into children's health as opposed to any cuts. I think we really need to think about that. So I would tell the lawmakers, if I had the opportunity, to really think about children differently, to think about investing wisely in our children, whether it's research, whether it's the hospitals, whether it's the physicians.
I know it's always fun to see the book out, and today is the day it's out. So congratulations. You've got all kinds of reviews, including yours truly here at the bottom, and I highly recommend it. If you had one message for somebody looking for this book, what would you say?
Well, I would say buy the book, read the book, because you want to do what's best for children. And I think our parents want to do what's best, our country wants to do what's best, and I think it's all in this book. And these inspiring stories of children will just get you going.
That's true. Dr. Newman, congratulations. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Again, the book, Healing Children, out today. Children's National, by the way, one of the best children's hospitals in the world, right here in Washington. The Jeff Sessions testimony, what did you think of it? We'll